Hello everyone, just a fairly quick but very important video for anyone who has bought a Henry Quick corded. I stress corded. What I'm about to say does not apply to the cordless models. It's only for the corded version available exclusively from Argos. I showed you the unboxing and first look at this machine a while ago. Now unfortunately this machine is the subject of a safety recall because there is a slight chance of electric shock. That's all I know. I don't know the reason. I don't know if there's some problem with the wire entering the machine, perhaps the cord clamp, it hasn't been secured properly or something. But whatever the reason, do not use your Henry Quick corded vacuum if you bought one from Argos. Now, basically, if you bought it as soon as it was launched, up until only a few days ago, your model will be affected. So if you've purchased this after the 17th of October 2025, you should be okay. You could always contact Pneumatic or My Henry to clarify, because Argos I think have taken off the remaining stock. So if they are selling stock now, it is of the version that doesn't have the problem. So whatever the problem is, it's best not to use it. I've got a link below, so if you click on that link, it'll take you to myhenry.com and their recall page, and it'll give you all the details you need to fill in. You've got to put obviously your name and address, the serial number, I'll show you where to find that in a minute, and you can opt to have it collected from your home. If you've got the original box, which I have, that's good because you can just pack it in the original box. If you threw the box away, My Henry will supply you with a box for shipping. So I assume they'll send you a box, you pack it up, and then you'll have to arrange for collection. So I've arranged for this one to be collected tomorrow. It's Tuesday the 21st of October 2025 at the time of filming. So DPD couriers are collecting this tomorrow. I'm going to box it all up. Unfortunately, it's my vacuum of the month. So I'm going to be without it. I don't know how quickly I'll get a replacement. Hopefully I'll get the replacement before the 1st of November, when I will be telling you how I got on. So this has been used a lot this month. So what I'm going to have to do, I'll take out the dust bag because I wanted to show you all the dirt I'd picked up during the month. So I'm going to take out the bag I've been using, and I will insert a new dust bag. Now when you return it, obviously return it complete with all the accessories. I don't suppose Pneumatic are going to mind if you keep a few of the pods that came with it, if you've not used them all. Personally folks, just put a new pod in. Don't send them a vacuum with loads of muck in it. It's not nice. Put one of your new pods in, but if you've got a couple of spares still, I think it'll be okay for you to keep them. When you receive your replacement, I'm assuming it will come with the pods you got initially when you first bought it. It's a bit of a shame that this has happened, but Pneumatic are dealing with it and will send you out a replacement ASAP. So yeah, I'm going to put a new bag in. We'll keep this bag, and I will insert this in the replacement. Again, hopefully it arrives in time. But all in all, I've enjoyed using this. I just enjoy the fact it's so quiet compared to the cordless version. I find it quieter anyway, and it has been used almost on a daily basis. But I'll discuss more about it when I do my review on the 1st of November. But before that, you'll need to know where to find the serial number, because you do have to put that in on the online form. So I'll take the bag out again. And the serial number is located inside the clear container just at the top. The serial number is on the black sticker, and it's clearly marked serial number, and then the number you need to put in to the online form is the number in the white box. So let's pop a new dust bag back. I'm not going to bother cleaning it up really. I don't know what's going to happen to these machines once Pneumatic get them back, but they're not very old, so hopefully they'll be able to fix whatever the problem is, refurbish them, and then possibly sell them on their eBay store as refurbished, because they do have an eBay store, My Henry, and you can buy refurbished Henrys there a little bit cheaper than, you know, the brand new ones. So there may be a flood of these appearing on eBay at some point, or they may be getting sent back to the manufacturer King Clean in China. Now I know that Pneumatic are planning on producing these in the UK, and they are coming towards the end, I think, of their big expansion of their factory in Somerset. So hopefully we will be seeing some UK made Henry Quicks, both corded and cordless. It's a bit disappointing that this has happened, but customer safety is the highest priority of Pneumatic International, and they want to sort this out as swiftly as possible. So the sooner you can fill out the form and send yours back, you will get a replacement that doesn't have the problem that the first batch had. There's nothing specific said, it just says affected units may expose the user to a risk of electric shock, and no matter how small that risk might be, it's still a risk. And obviously Pneumatic and My Henry don't want their customers to get any problems from their appliances, no, especially an electric shock. So they're dealing with it swiftly. As I said, these things happen. Other products, many products get recalled every year, so unfortunately it's happened to the new Henry Quick corded. So just a reminder, it's only for the Henry Quick corded bought from Argos, purchased after the 17th of October, you're okay. But if you bought it between the 1st of August 2025 to the 17th of October 2025, you must stop using it and send it back to Pneumatic for replacement. Any that are now available from Argos's website should be okay. They have withdrawn it at the moment, but they will be receiving more stocks that aren't affected. But in the meantime, you should be getting your direct replacement from My Henry. If you have any comments or questions about this recall, I'll try and answer them. I don't know much more than I've told you, and there are more details on the form, and there will be a contact email or phone number if you've got any concerns. You can speak to somebody from Pneumatic. So there it is. That's my current vacuum of the month. Having a bit of a break because I won't be using that. I'll have to use something else or see if I can leave the dirt for a bit longer. But hopefully I'll be showing you the replacement on the 1st of November when I do my new vacuum of the month video. So until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.